Okay, we're getting ready to do the second inspection on my other hive. This is my flow bee hive, which we probably won't get to see that action this year because we're going to try to build 2 deep supers. Let's take the cover off. Find it a home. And again, we'll use this super to hold the frame for us. Again, basically, we just want to see how healthy everybody is. And right now, it's all about the queen. It's still all about the queen. Probably always will be. That's how they live. So, let's get ready to lift this off. Okay. Can you actually see that? Oh yeah, you saw that real well. Okay. I'm going to pull this off. They haven't used a lot of it. Some of it. I'm home for it. I just want to look, see what you're seeing. Let's elevate you just a little bit. Okay. There's that hive entrance deal. I mean feeder deal. So we'll take the bracket, my little doohickey off. That aside. No more smoke. Uh-oh. Okay. Are you ready? Because here we go. Oh, wait a minute. Let's have the smoke ready. Look at that was the floats. Here we go. Here's the real deal. Here we go. Hello, girls. Looks like we're welcome. Yep. This is one thing about this stuff is you can read, watch all the videos you want, but sooner or later, you gotta jump right in. Alright, gently. Let's use the hive tool. Gently slide these over a little bit. Okay. Let's take a look, see if she got released. Very gentle. Oh, there's a lot of bees here. Just a little smoke. Alright, she's out of there. I'm not seeing her here. Do you see her? Look at all the honeycomb on this one. Oh my goodness. That's very exciting. I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, I'm not seeing her. What I've been told is to look for signs of her rather than her out. Wait a minute. What's happening right here? I'm looking at this area right here. It's just a pile up. Whoa! That was not good. They probably didn't like that too much. No. Yeah, we just got everybody very excited. Okay, there's a boo-boo. Get that hive all worked up. Well, the suit seems to be working. They're all over here. Right now I've disappeared in the clouds. I'm in that error. Operator error. Let's take another look. Okay, right at the moment, I'm not seeing her again. Although, see, but there's all this kind of activity here. I don't know what that is. Might be a smoker. Very few casualties in the install. Not even worth talking about. That's a very good thing. Alright, gentle. Yeah, we're still looking for our queen. I mean, we might as well, we're here. Gentle. Have to develop some skill. There she is. Can you see her right there? Right there, there's my queen. She's crawling around right there. Ladies and gentlemen, so far we are successful beekeeping. Yeah. Okay. We saw what we came to see. We came to see our queen is good. Now, this one here is the one we disturbed. It'll be oh so gentle. Man, I have so many bees flying around me, it's unbelievable. Okay, everybody out of the way. That's a good bees. Yes, that's a good bees. Can you hear the humming? Okay, this is all good. We disturbed them a little bit. We're still recording fine? Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. I shook them up. I made a boo-boo. Guys, I cannot tell you what this is like. It's for me, it's all about the experience. I mean, the honey, that's just a fringe benefit. Learning these guys, interacting with them. Oh, sorry, honey. I got one. I squished one. Oh, I need to put that cover back on. I might want to be a little careful here. Yeah, queens are alive, out and about, on both hives. Which is just what we're looking for. These bees were hived up for 5 days. I put them in on Thursday the 27th of April. They came a day early. And it was a good thing because the weather was good. But no sooner I got them in that very night, winter came back, and it's been winter for 4 days now. Today's the perfect day for this. They've been hived up a while. Oh! Look at this now. If we get in the patty, we just toss these two right in there. Okay? There's a lot going on here. This is very exciting. This is like really unbelievably awesome. I'm worried about those bees that are back there. Smoke will work good. I guess we set that up okay. Well, we got a good shot at getting this on right now. I suppose with all the jostling around and everything, you're always going to squish one or two. But I thought I had one inside my helmet. Hey guys, I wonder if I can... Hey, let's try this. Come on now, we're going to put the box on. It's going to be dangerous. Okay, we got everything right? I think so. And we'll put the cover on. Whoop, that always falls out. We need to make a new one of those. I'll retrieve that, get back on. That's a access thing. Just to give you an idea what's going on here. I'm going to loosen this all up. You can see they just, see this is, I dropped that frame. So that kind of pissed everybody off. And I am literally in a cloud of bees here. Bees all around me. Okay. Inspection number 2. Both queens are there.